Today's big news is the Jediiians open house. We're bringing you the hustle bustle from the campus, which was wrapped with energy and immense talent. JD Institute of Fashion Technology and JD School of Design gave a glimpse of the work of our aspiring designers who are preparing for the grand JD Design Awards 2022.
A very pleasant morning from JD Institute's Brigade Road campus. We have our open house starting from today. It is a designer's display for jewelry and fashion. We have our friends and family to come and encourage our students.
The open house was a 3-day-long event where family, friends, relatives and revered industrial faces entered the campus to have a glance at Jediiians' work. Our reporters also captured their views regarding the same. Have a look.
Today in conversation, we have Ms. Chandrima Parekh, who worked in senior positions in Myntra, Ajio and Landmark Group. She owns her own firm in the name IDC. Welcome to JD ma'am. So we had our third day of our open house where our designers portrayed their displays regarding our upcoming JDDA. So how did you find the overall experience? How did you find the upcoming talent? Are they ready for the industry?
There's some exceptionally good work that I've seen out there, and there's nothing called ready for the industry or not. I think designers, especially people who are creators, are always ready for something, and I think everybody is doing an amazing job. I could see some sparks of very interesting things around there. It's been an eye-opener for me also. Doesn't matter how many years in industry one spends, but the creativity that some of these youngsters are coming up with is phenomenal.
How was the experience over here? How did you feel?
The experience was really nice. Very innovative ideas, creative they are. And moreover, I could see something which I didn't know. Few ideas that they have gotten was really nice. For example, from the Australian fire that happened, or from the maternity clothes. Those ideas were really nice. And then few imaginary ones. And the look which they had put on the lookboard was very, very good.
ಈಗ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಅವರು ನೀವು ಪೇರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವರು?
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅವರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದು, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಆವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
Going ahead, Mr. Nilesh Dalal, the managing trustee, Ms. Sandra and Mr. Souza, the director South, and Mr. Pramod Adhikari, the chief mentor, also spoke about Jediiians' work and appreciated the brilliant students and their masterpieces.
How do you feel after looking at your students' work?
First of all, I'm so happy and proud that our students could achieve this, and they have taken a great effort, great pain, and a lot of patience, a lot of dedication. I think the entire year's effort is here right now, and we are very happy to announce this to the parents and the family and the industry, and this is a platform to showcase their talent.
It is happening after a long time, long wait of 2 years. So are we expecting something new within these 2 years?
I think everybody, we all are aware that how things have changed in the last 2.5 years, and right from today a small kid to an elderly one, we all know what we have missed and what all went wrong, where we reached in these 2-3 years when we were inside and not doing things. So that things have opened. I think the world has opened with more positivity. I'm very happy that the students have taken that aspect very, very nicely, and they're exhibiting it from their expressions. Let's see. I think that's what is the mystery right now, and let's see, keep it under the wraps till it comes out.
There are different course that is going around. So how do you expect the harmony to come out as, and how excited are you for the JDDA event, the main event?
The whole idea of giving them the theme as sync with nature is not just with the nature, but it's also can be interdepartment. So a jewelry designer can also work with a fashion designer. A textile designer or a fashion designer can also work with the interior designer for upholstery, for product, for variety of things. So it's about the design festival. It's about design winning over everything. Because if you do not have a design, I don't think so anything can be possible.
Right, that was a lovely view. Thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you. All the very best, and I hope, please, as JDTV, please be there on end of the month. Dates will be revealed soon. Thank you.
Well, kudos Jediians. As we can see, everyone is waiting to witness the final results. We are really excited for the upcoming JD Design Awards.
All the best. See you soon. Stay tuned to know more.